The referees. Acharya, Mrs. Chetri in the stands. Daughter of the celebrated Mohan Bagan defender Surada Bhattacharya, who also played for a long time for India. There he is, the number 11 and the Indian team captain Sunil Chetri. Chetri, the crowd up on its feet. And Marzouk on the line. There goes the whistle. Sunil Chetri. Placing the ball to the left of the goalkeeper. Putting India 1 up. See the replay again. It's got to be Mohammad Abdullah, the number 9, with the first kick for Kuwait. Gurpreet on the line. Abdullah with the right footer. And it goes the ball. Onto the crossbar. The crowd delirious with joy. There you see it. Mohammad Abdullah crashing his penalty onto the Indian crossbar. It's India 1, Kuwait 0. After the first set of penalties, Sandesh Jingan for India, the number 5. Marzouk on the line. And Jingan scores. India 2, Kuwait 1. Looks as though it's going to be Al-Taibi. Yes, the number 18 for Kuwait. Al-Taibi with the spot kick. Gurpreet watching him very closely. On the line, Gurpreet. Al-Taibi for Kuwait. Here he is. And puts it into the net. It's India 2, Kuwait 1. After 2 kicks, Changte going up to take the third. That's how it went in. Sending Gurpreet the wrong way. Lalian Zwala Changte with the third penalty kick for India. There is Marzouk on the line. There goes the whistle. Changte. India 3, Kuwait 1. The third kick for Kuwait. Al-Dhaferi, the number 8. Gurpreet on the line. Al-Dhaferi, and he scores. It's 3-2. Uranta Singh. Uranta with the fourth kick for India. Marzouk on the line. There goes the whistle. And Uranta puts it over. Uranta puts it over the bar. Uranta puts it over the bar. And if Kuwait score now, it's going to be 3-all. It's Maran, the number 5, to make it 3-3 for Kuwait. There he is, placing the ball at the penalty spot. There he is. Gurpreet Singh on the line. Maran, and he scores. After 4 kicks, it is 3-3. It's got to be Subhashish Bose to take the 5th one for India. One miss by both. Mohammad Salman banking the ball onto the Indian crossbar, and Uranta Singh putting the ball over the Kuwait crossbar. Subhashish Bose for India. Marzouk on the line. Here it comes, and he scores. For 3. It's going to be Al-Khaldi, I think. Al-Khaldi, the goal scorer in regulation time, taking the 5th kick for Kuwait. Gurpreet on the line. Al-Khaldi, and he scores. (4-4) after 5 kicks. It's going to be Mahesh Singh Neoram with the 6th one for India. This is getting more and more exciting as we come to the sudden death in the shootout until one team misses. Mahesh Singh Neoram with a left footer for India. There goes the whistle. Here he scores. It's India 5, Kuwait 4, as the Kuwait captain Hajia goes up to score in the sudden death shootout. There it is, Mahesh Singh Hajia, the Kuwait captain. There he is, taking a long start to take that award. There goes the whistle, and he saved him. Puts the ball to the left. Gurpreet Singh Sandhu. comes off an incredible save. The crowd going mad over here. Delirious scenes of joy here as India win the SAAF Bangabandhu Championship 2023. Defeating Kuwait by 5 goals to 4 in the shootout, sudden death penalty shootout. There it is. That shot and that save by Gurpreet Singh Sandhu. He denied the Lebanon captain Hassan Matoub, and now he denied the Kuwait captain Hajia. India winning the SAAF Bangabandhu Championship 2023.